Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with our latest Facebook Live project. This is the Verity boxed album and stand. It measures 9 inches tall, 8 inches wide by 2 3/4 inches deep, and the stand has a lovely 3-inch deep drawer, a lift up lid and a wardrobe front, and inside it reveals a lovely little mini album. And the stand has got a hook lock and a really lovely Tim Holtz knob on the drawer. The drawer is double fronted, and then at the bottom I've just put our wooden buttons on the base for it to stand on, and that's just a lovely project in itself to make. If you're new to our Facebook Live classes, we make everything from scratch, and we cut chipboard, black card, we assemble everything with our signature black construction tape. So from start to finish, you start with flat packed card, chipboard and everything, and end up with a gorgeous project. This one has got a little album with it. I've used the Bird Watcher collection from Graphic 45. Such a pretty collection, blues, greens and pinks, all blended together with the most gorgeous images of all the birds and flowers. I've used fussy cut some, I haven't done any fussy cutting for ages, but I managed to fussy cut 4 eggs out of the paper and stick them onto the front, onto the ephemera card that I've put on the front here. I love that green. It really is. If you haven't seen it, do go and check the link out below and have a look at the collection. It is gorgeous. So let's just whiz out just a little bit. So this is a 5-page pocket album, and I've used for the whole project 1 8x8 pad from the Birdwatcher collection and 1 pack of ephemera cards, and it makes this, and 20 sheets of black card, and it makes this gorgeous little album. So we've got acetate pockets on the front that you can put your photos behind. It's always fun to be able to interchange your pictures, I love that joke, into your albums without having to stick them in, and acetate pockets are just great for doing that. But I've used just one of the ephemera cards in there for the time being. And then each of the pages has got a little pocket on it on the front to add your ephemera, your photos, journaling spots, whatever you fancy popping in. I've just used some of our little tags in here. And then a lovely large photo mat slides in the page. And then the back of each of the pages is a large area to stick your photos or just pop them in under your clips so that you can change them about. I love the way the collection blends together. We've got pinks here with this beautiful border with the tulips on, and pretty ephemera card doubling up as a photo mat. And then I've gone green on this page, really green. I love that colour. It's a really beautiful limey green. Used an ephemera card here as the tuck spot. I've used the policy envelope die, Graphic 45 die, to make little policy envelope inserts. I love this die. You'll find the link down below. Just to add extra little pockets and tuck spots. We've got some more ephemera cards, pretty little floral, ditzy floral paper here that I thought went really well with the green. Little cutout on the pocket border here, 2 little ephemera cards in the pocket, and then a double photo mat with the ephemera card on the front, and that gorgeous hummingbird. That just slides under the page there. And then we've gone blue. Gorgeous stamps, all with birds on, a lovely large ephemera card, a little stripy tag under a cutout tuck spot, and then a nice little pocket this side with more of those stamps. And I had to use the eggs down here. I just think they're gorgeous. And they just pop in there. And then I've gone pinks at the back, gorgeous florals, a little ephemera card here, and a teeny weeny tag, and again another pocket. So it's a little album full of lots and lots of places to tuck your pictures and ephemera into, in quite a small little space. Got another policy envelope here, and again every page has got a pocket on it so that you can just put your photos, slide your photos in, and then at the back another acetate photo holder. I love them. The static from the acetate just holds everything in place, and they're just so easy to make. So that's it. So that is the Verity album and boxed stand. Let's just pop it back in. So if you'd like to join the class live, then that is Friday the 28th and Saturday the 29th of May at 6 p.m. UK time. I'll put the link down below to the class on the website so you can find out more information. But if you love the project, don't want to do live classes, you can still buy your place and then you can follow along with all of the pre-class videos, the full cutting guide, and watch the 2 live videos that can be re-watched after the event at your leisure. But yes, that is this Facebook Lives project. So I hope I've inspired you to enjoy this collection. I'll also put the link to the collection below so that you can take a look at it if you haven't seen it, along with all of the links to the products used in the project. As I say, I hope I've inspired you to be creative, to get crafty. Come and join us for a live workshop. They are fun. We've built up a great community over the last year, and we're going to carry on doing live classes, even as we all head back to work after the lockdown. So thanks very much for watching. Happy crafting, and see you again soon.